Right, so here the problem goes like this. If atmospheric pressure is 95.7 kilopascal and the gauge attached to the tank reads 188 mmHg vacuum, find the absolute pressure within the tank. So we simply have here, well, we have a tank, okay? Usually this could be a gas tank or dapat ang drawing na medyo anyway, that will do. Any deform perhaps ang imong tank. Oh no. Anyway, that's your tank and the press usually this is a gas tank because wala mo siya nag-specify hang up point. You put here a gauge, so somehow naka-gauge attached dana. And here the gauge reads, oh no, mmHg vacuum. Ano, dili ni siya nga naman gauge siguro, but never mind. P here, pressure is 188 mmHg vacuum. Meaning imuhang tank kung imo nang tuslukon or nang abrihan sa mga tabo, air will leak into it. Mao siguro po nga ni bulge siya or ni kwan siya ni crumple. Mo crumple gali mo ang tank meaning na ang pressure sa sulod is gamay compared sa gawas. Now, the question here is find the absolute pressure within the tank. So what is the pressure? This is gauge pressure. Pressure of the tank is known to be this, but this is in gauge. What is its absolute pressure? Now, it's very simple. As long as we know how do we define gauge pressure and how do we define absolute pressure. Now, simply here we have pressure absolute is simply equal to pressure gauge is what I'm using. The gauge pressure plus the pressure of the atmosphere or what we call barometric pressure. This is what being measured by the barometer or at that particular point in a day or time in a day, the pressure of the atmosphere is equal to that. And actually, this is what is being given. When they say atmospheric pressure, it's always absolute already because, of course, wala may gauge ng atmospheric pressure. It will be zero. It will when you measure the pressure of the atmosphere, it must always be in absolute. Kay dili mo pwede i-compare siya sa ihang kaugalingon kay when they say gauge, i-compare siya sa atmosphere. So, dapat atmosphere must be expressed in terms of absolute pressure. Bahala gini sa butangan dia og absolute. It means absolute na ning 95.7 kilopascal na barometric. So this is P bar already. So that's P bar. We're given that P barometric is, or some call it atmospheric. It's 95.7 kilopascal. So as simple as this one. If you want to solve for P absolute, the pressure of the absolute pressure of the tank, we'll simply have gauge is given. But 188 mmHg vacuum implies that the pressure is lower. And when we say vacuum, to denote that mathematical, we just put a negative to that, meaning lower than the atmospheric. So 188 mg. So we put here negative 188 mmHg. So meaning kay ang negative gali kay kanang word no vacuum meaning na negative ang iyang pressure. Plus P barometric is 95.7 kilopascal. Of course, dili na siya pwede diretso kay lain-lain sila units, but we know that mmHg and kilopascal are all units of pressure. So we can really re-express this in terms of conversions. Now, how do we convert things? Well, we could write it like this. The P tank, therefore, absolute pressure of the tank is equal to, well, negative. How do we convert mmHg? We multiply that by the conversion factor. What is that? Well, we know that a standard atmosphere that is 760 mmHg. Mao ni ang conversion factor. 760 mmHg. So, ubos ang mmHg kay para makancel. It's equivalent to 1 atmosphere. Or simply, ang 1 atmosphere is 101,325 Pascal. Yung ana gidato ang kuno. We must know that these two are the same. 101,325 Pascal is just equal to 760 mmHg. Plus, ang isa, of course, how do we convert 95.7 kilopascal to Pascal? Well, that's just 95,000 Oh no, 95,700 Pascal. And therefore, PA, therefore, okay, so therefore P, pressure at the tank, absolute pressure of the tank is equal to, well, what are the values? So the answer is 70,635. So the answer will be 70,635. 635. The unit is Pascal. Of course, is approximately equal to 70.6 or 70.6 kilopascal. And of course, don't forget to write here absolute. Okay, meaning kung di na butangan mo absolute, meaning it implies gauge, so therefore markahan na to na daw absolute. Okay, so that's the idea and that's our answer.